Question is about the case of Asaram. I was the first counsel in this case. I think you do not know who has argued his bail. I can give you the facts of the case. The facts, nobody knows here who is the panelist here today. That is why I said that I would have not come if I was told that on the amendment of this death penalty, debate is on that. But
please
anyway,
go ahead, sir.
Now I am requesting you, please hear me. What are the facts of the case in this case?
Yes.
I would have not accepted this case. I first satisfy myself. Yes, if this case is like this, I had seen the place of incident. I have examined the persons where this ashram was, and that was a farmhouse at a distance of 40-50 kilometers from Jodhpur. And I examined those people where in the night parents of the girl and the girl stayed in the night. At about 8 p.m. this girl along with her mother had gone to see Bapu Asaram, and there they said that mother was sitting outside in the veranda and this girl was called by him inside. She said that when I had gone inside and he was naked, and she immediately came out, and with mother, without disclosing anything to her mother, they came in the house which was at a distance of 10-20 yards from that kutia of this Bapu Asaram. They took food, stayed night there, and in the morning they took breakfast. Thereafter the family of those farmhouse people dropped them at the railway station in Jodhpur. Then they came to Delhi, from Delhi to Shahjahanpur, where they are the residents. After 3 days they came back to Delhi. In Kamla Market police station they lodged a FIR which was registered as a 0 FIR, and the girl was taken to Ram Manohar Lohia hospital where she was medically examined.
Yes.
And then that one of the panelists was talking about MLC, and she is right. In the MLC nothing is there.
Yes.
That is why I argued it is a larger conspiracy. If I am being a lawyer, I will not disclose what was whispered in my ear when it was the 3rd September, I think 2013 or 12, what was the date I remember, the year I don't remember. When I was about to argue, frankly the learned prosecutor said, it is first judicial remand. I will not oppose this bail application on the next date, adjourn this matter. Judge said, it's fair enough. Mr. Manan, this is fair enough. I accepted it, but somebody whispered in my ear and said, you please argue this case. So there was no alternative before me except to argue. I said, my lord, I am being directed, being briefed by the counsels and the clients, I should argue. And I argued. After arguments, when I stepped out before the press while I was briefing the press, somebody whispered in my ears that bail application has been rejected. It was to be rejected because when I was not hearing, party was not listening, the judge, prosecutor was telling that I will not oppose the bail application. That was the turning point in this case. Thereafter, they said, let us engage Jethmalani ji. I engaged Jethmalani ji. I took Jethmalani ji to Jodhpur. For one of the accused, that Jethmalani ji argued, and for one of the accused, I argued, because there were 2-3 accused there. Before Justice Nirmaljeet Kaur, we argued very well. Whatever it was the reason that the bail application was dismissed, we go ahead, no problem. Bail applications were rejected, accepted, it is none of our concern. Our duty is to argue the cases. Thereafter, ma'am, they never believed one lawyer. I think more than 20, 30, 50 lawyers have been changed by them. And there were persons who were never wanted that this gentleman should come out from the jail. This is hard fact, it's a reality, please believe it.
Right.
People were behind the scene who were not interested that Mr. Bapu should. One of the person was closest of Mr. Bapuji, and I don't want to name him. Subsequently, he was also arrested in this case, in another case.
Right.
But the thing was, something behind the curtain was being played in this case, but it was now over. Evidence has already recorded. another lawyer was engaged and he cross-examined. I do not know what is the ultimate in the cross-examination has come or not, but it was not a case. Yes, POCSO came. Whether it was 354
Right.
IPC, then POCSO has to be read with that.
Right.
So
Let me-
POCSO was imposed on him, in which the minimum sentence is prescribed. But the
Yes.
question is, now tomorrow let us see.
Yes.
After weighing the evidence, the judge will pronounce the judgment. If he will be held guilty, minimum punishment in POCSO is there. There's no doubt. If 354 is there, minimum sentence is also prescribed in the IPC, in the offense that is section is there. Then arguments on that sentence will also be there. So we have to discuss. Tomorrow is the day when I think 20-30 channels today approached me. I given only 2 channels
Yes.
my time, because I know the fate of this case, because case has already been ruined by himself. Nobody else is responsible. If he was so big Baba, Guru, he should knew that who is the person behind all this game. His son was traveling with me from Jodhpur to that place of incident. After few days or 1 or 2 months, he was also arrested. 13 years ago, that Surat, though 2 sisters were, they said that we were also, he has actually abused us. 13 or 14 years back, after 14 years, the case has been registered against him. So number of things are there. Let us discuss only the thing that which will be emerged tomorrow.